There's a little startup sound. Put the key in. Sometimes it doesn't want to turn, so you have to jiggle the keys around. What in the world? There you go. Holy crap. Starts right up. And we're off. It's moving time. Should have got a bigger truck. Damn. This is the day, this is the big day, and we're getting gas for the first time. So this is a quarter full. So I'm gonna see how much it costs to fill a U-Haul truck. Right now, it uses the regular, 87 octane. I'm gonna stop it right here.
No, just hold.
Because it might be too much. Like when we get there, it might be halfway still. So I decided to stop it at 81 since we're only traveling 300 miles almost to Pittsburgh, because this might be a little bit too much. I don't want to be paying $100 and only be using like half the gas. So I'm gonna stop it right there, and then we'll stop whenever we need to. And this is with $4.19, almost $4.20 per gallon. So we're about almost full, so I think that's going to be good enough for our trip. Alright guys, so we made it to the U-Haul in, I believe it's called Washington, PA. So they're over there checking out the truck. So I finally returned it. And now the beautiful FK7 is back on the channel. So we're gonna be making some videos of her pretty soon. So stay tuned for that. I miss this baby so much. Oh boy, I have a lot to clean up here. What's going on, guys? This is First Time FK7. Welcome back to another video. And as you can see, I am at the new house. And it's pretty noisy over here. We do live on a main road, and if you can see, the FK7 is not on the driveway. That's because my beautiful wife is currently using it. So just in case, people of Pittsburgh, if you see the FK7 driving around the streets, it may not be me, because my wife pretty much uses that car most of the time. But if you do see the Type R driving around the streets, then obviously it's going to be me. Anyways guys, I have a lot to unpack. Pretty much all my stuff just scattered around the garage. So the reason why I didn't get to upload last week was because obviously I was busy with the whole move and stuff, as well as Chloe. So we have a new dog. Her name is Chloe. She's a chow chow, and she knows a couple tricks. Chloe, sit. Oh, close enough. There you go. There she. You're such a good girl. So she's 6 months old, and for now she's staying over here. It is under construction. That's why I have been busy for the past week. So this is basically my studio area. This is where I edit videos and, play on my PC. By the way, person who sent me this still hasn't reached out, but thanks anyways for this awesome toy. You even got like the side markers correct and everything, so that's awesome. Anyways, this is a wall that I built because originally this basement was just open. And then I painted the walls white. And so I'm not like a contractor or anything, so I'm not going to show you guys how to do this, but basically, you know, I did this all by myself, and you know, it's sturdy. It's pretty sturdy. It's not going to give way, so I'm pretty happy with what I've done to this so far. I do need to continue building this because I'm missing a door frame right now. But yeah, it's a pretty sturdy wall, if I must say myself, and I'm pretty proud of what I did. And you know, it's my first time building this, so pretty nice wall that I built. Chloe. So the one thing that I noticed already is that the people here are super nice compared to the other side where I came from in Pennsylvania, which is weird because all the stores that I went to, they really went all out. They went above and beyond. So that's one thing that I need to point out. And it's super hilly. There's like literally no spot, or at least no place where it's just flat. This place is super hilly, which makes driving on the roads really nice if you're by yourself. But the speed limit on most of the roads here is only 35, and the cops here are super strict. So that's one thing, or that's a couple things that I noticed on this side of town, on this side of the state, where it's nice, the roads are nice, but the speed limit is not so nice because the cops are really strict. Like they would go after you if you're going 5 to 10 miles above the speed limit, which is stupid, and like, which is so annoying. And it is very cold. This morning, believe it or not, it was actually 26 degrees this morning. Right now the high is 51. Well, the news said that the high would be 47 today. I guess they're wrong, because it is 51 degrees out, unless my thermometer is messed up on this car. But yeah, that's my experience here in Pittsburgh so far. Everything is hilly. Everything is, the law enforcement here is very strict. The parks are really clean, and there's not many people in the malls or in the stores, so that's a good thing. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little update for you guys because, you know, I haven't uploaded over the weekend this week, so more videos to come. Thank you all for watching. This is Chris Time FK7. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.